Disappearing syllables.
Hi everybody. Today I want to talk about disappearing syllables. A disappearing syllable is just a syllable that we don't say. We drop it or we delete it from the word. I have 6 words that I want to go over with you today. These are 6 very common vocabulary words in English that each of them contains a deleted syllable. Now remember, if you happen to say these words and you don't delete the deleted syllable, it's okay. People will understand you. It's not the end of the world. All right. But if you want to practice your pronunciation with these deleted syllables, here you go. Go for it. First word is basically. This word has 4 syllables. You look it up in the dictionary, it's going to tell you there are 4 syllables. Basically. We only pronounce 3 of them. Basically. Basically. Second word, different. Technically, this word has 3 syllables. Different. We say 2 of them. Different. Different. Third word, interesting. Technically, this word has 4 syllables. Interesting. But you guessed it, we only say 3 of them. Interesting. 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 Fourth word, several. Technically, we've got 3 syllables here. Several. But we only pronounce 2 of them. Several. Several. What are we on? Fifth word. Fifth word. Temperature. That's a tough one to say, just normally. Temperature. 4 syllables. Temperature. But we only pronounce 3 of them. Temperature. Temperature. And finally, rounding us off at 6 words is a good one. Chocolate. Chocolate has 3 syllables. Chocolate. Yum. But we only say 2. Chocolate. Chocolate. All right. So practice these words. Eat some chocolate. Enjoy practicing your English. Have a great day.